Soupy said, girly, through and through, you don't have to think about putting an outfit together. Like, that part is all done for you. And I mean, I was like, immediate add to cart. This one is so freaking cute. Absolutely love the stripes. The colors are like screaming spring and summer. It's very lightweight, breathable, comfy. You have the matching shorts that are a great length, stretchy elastic waistband here, and then the top has the cutest little bow tie that you can tie up there. You do have adjustable straps as well, so you can adjust it however you need it to be. Amazing quality, and you cannot beat the price. I'm gonna drop that link below in case you want to snag it.
3XL. Size 3XL tag. Okay, kapag gusto nyo malaman yung tawag dito, lahat ng measurement, cup, waist, centimeter, punta kayo sa profile, nakapin. Size large, madam. O, 10 kini, sis. Ay, terno pala. Large, code ng 9 ang code. Size ay large. Okay, may sando, may short. Code ng 9, code 9. 128 lang. Code ako ng 96. Next, mga madams. Ano to? Size large ulit. Okay, large. Code ako ng 5. 5 ang code, 5 pang large. Code 5. Next, mga madam. Next. Size na to, sister, pang medium. Pang medium, sis. Okay, medium, pa one side. Code ako 8. 8 ang code, 8. Pang medium, code ako 8. Code ng 8. Okay, code 8. O, likod na tayo, madam. Hanger. Ay, sorry, hanger tuloy. Mannequin. Okay, Madam Fairy Island. Years na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Madam Fairy Island. 128. 128. Oh, Madam Mannequin. Yung nasa mannequin, 648. Double check ko lang size na to, Madam, ha? Para di tayo magkamali. Okay. Extra small, pero pasok siya hanggang small. Extra small to small, 648 pesos. Crochet, code ako ng 22. Code 22, 22 ang code. Next tayo, madam. Size na to. May 22 ba, sis? Ano yung tag nito? Wala ba? Okay, extra small din. Extra small, code ako 4. 4 ang code 4, pang extra small. Ang liit. Pero pasok siya hanggang small. Stretchable yan, madam. Stretchy. Wala sa mannequin. 648 lang, madam. 648 lang. Okay, wali hanger. O, sige, hanger. Next, mga sis. Large. Okay, hindi ba carry ng medium? Yung alin, madam, yung mannequin, carry siya, sis. Kasi super stretch niya. Crochet ito, madam. Ayan, super stretch niya. Super stretch. Carry siya, madam. Crochet yan, crochet. 358 sa hanger. Sa mannequin, 648. Me, size large. Large, madam. 358, lock 388. Code ako ng 75. Code ng 75. Code ng 75. Okay, next. Okay, pang small. Size small, madam. Code ako ng 42. Code 42. Code ako 42. Size small. Small is small. Sure yan, Madam Leslie. $358 pesos. Small. Small yun.
Palitan ko to.
Ha?
Yun lang.
Ha? Pwede niya daw lock. O, sige. Go. Okay, Madam Leslie, yours na. Pa-confirm. 388. Confirm. 388. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, thank you so much. 358 pala. Sorry. Yun na sa hanger. Ito, sister. Ano to? Is small. Is small. Hindi na lock ni. Sige, Madam. Go. Next tayo, Madam. Pang XL. Alam, Madam Marlex. Check out na. Sige, go, Madam. Thank you so much. Me, pang XL. Ang ganda. Extra large. Code ako 7. 7 ang code pang XL. Uy, ang ganda nito. 7 ang code. 128. Code ng 7. Next. Dan, check out. Thank you, Madam Frasha. Uy, ang ganda ng color. Size small. Size small, Madam. Code ako ng 5. 5 ang code, 5. Size na to, small. Code ng 5, code 5. Small is small. Okay, Madam Leslie, yours na. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 128. Maraming salamat. Okay. Size na to, Madam, ay pang medium. Okay, pang medium, sis. Code ako ng 9. 9 ang code, 9. Okay, size medium, code ng 9. 1 piece. Okay, si Madam Teal Days. Yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 120. Maraming salamat. Okay, pa-share ako ng live natin, mga Madam. Okay, size nito pang XL. Ang ganda ng print. XL, code ng 4. Very Ocean. 4 ang code 4. Pang XL, code ng 4. Okay, 128 lang yan. Next, mga madoms. Ano itich? Okay, 1 piece, pang small. Okay, pang small, Madam. Marami ka pa pink and flower dyan. Yes. Madam, pang small, code ako ng 9. 9 ang code, 9 pang small, code ng 9. Maganda yan, halter. Code 9. Next, si Madam Marlex. Hello, Madam. Good morning. Yours na. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 128. Sige, abang-abang lang, please. Huy, pa-short. May pa-short. Size na to pang XL. Extra large. Wala po ako na-flex mo doon. May pang XL. Ang ganda. Code ako ng 9. Ganda rin ang short to. 9 ang code. 9 pang XL. Ang ganda sis. Code ng 9.